Phone Call Basics, brought to you by Hi English. Hello, this is Chauba. How may I help you? Hello, masi Chaubani or ay Chaubani, karamna adomgi tingbang zabayagani. Hi, this is Money. May I speak to your son Lemba? Hi, ay Manini. Adomgi chanupa Lembaga ngangna zabayagadra. Hello, Tomba speaking. Hello, Tombani ngangisi or piracy. Hi, Tomba. This is Chauba. I would like to speak to Money. Hi, Tomba. Ay Chaubani. Ay Maniga mukta wari sananingi. Good morning. Tomba speaking. Good morning. Tombani ngangisi or piracy. Hello, this is Lemba. How can I help you? Hello, Tombani. Karamna dombo aina tingbang zaba ngamzagani. Hello, who is calling please? Hello, kanano call taubirak ise or call taubirak ibasibu kana oibirake. Hello, may I know who is calling please? Hello, kanano call taubirak ise khangzabayagadra. Hello, may I speak to Roshibala please? Hello, ay Roshibala ga muktawari sanaba ya zagadra. She is out of station right now. Mahak hauzik mafam sida laite. She's out of station right now. She's not here right now. Mahak mafam asida hauzik makti laite. Spelling hauzik haibdu yengbiu. This is she. How's it going? Si mahakni or aini. Karam taurige. This is she. How's it going? Can I put you on hold for a moment, please? Mikup amotang adombu hold thamzaba yagadra. Can I put you on hold for a moment, please? Thanks for calling and have a great day. Call tawbirakpagidamak thagatchari aduga yamna phaba natraga nungaiba numit ama oizaro oirasanu as yai. Same to you too. Nangondasu oirasanu. Nangisu chap manaba oirasanu. Same to you too. Thanks for watching. Keep learning. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. Thank you. See you in the next video. Hey, don't forget to press the notification bell too.